Monkey, this Ruby Truth's first try at food. She's very excited. Let's try it. Okay, Monkey? Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Do you like that? Do you want some more?
She's not sure what to do.
It's different. It's okay. Here, yeah. You want to eat it off of Mama's finger? Is it yummy? Do you like it?
Did you try it?
No, it's got formula in it. Should I make it liquidier? It's pretty liquidy. Monkey, do you want some more?
It's just new. That's
I know, no. It's just funny. Look at her face. What do you think? Do you like it?
Hi.
Do you want the rest to be in liquid bottle form? Should we try one more? Can we try one more? Huh?
She wants to hold it.
No, she's pushing it away. She does. Oh, okay.
Whoop.
She swallowed it. Yay, Monkey! Yay! Yay! It's Ruby Truth's 5-month birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ruby Truth. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yom Huledet Sameach.
Yom Huledet Sameach.
Boom.
Yom Huledet Sameach. Yom Huledet Sameach.
And in honor of our Spanish roots, Feliz
Feliz
cumpleaños a ti.
Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a Ruby. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Yay!
And we, I think, are done. All right, let's thank you for being part of her first time eating.